Hi friends, welcome to Garden a Beautiful Life. So today I am going to review the seeds which I have bought from Amazon, and I have been using those since 6 months. And you can buy these seeds and prepare for your winter garden. And these seeds have really high germination rate, and I would also show you what all I have grown from these seeds, and they have really germinated fast and the plants are really healthy. So you could see this box which came when I ordered these seeds, which is from only for organic brand, and it came for around 400 rupees, and there are 45 kinds of vegetable seeds. So you could see that they have given this small booklet. With that, it has the soil proportion, quantity, and how to sow the seeds, the basic information. And there are the seeds for a lot of vegetables. So I really like the packaging, the how they have packed and they have sent the seeds. And the best part is they have almost covered all the vegetables which we can grow at home, and 45 varieties. If you are going to start a vegetable garden or you are going to sow the winter seeds, it has all the seeds of the vegetables. So you could see I have just taken out, it has almost all the vegetables which we can grow. It has French beans, Malabar spinach, bottle gourd, it has radish, red radish, and it has white radish also. It has cabbage, it has even broccoli also. See, it has cauliflower and broccoli. It has chili. It has given ornamental chili plant also. So the best part is it has given brinjal of all types. So that is green brinjal, that was purple brinjal, and they have also given the green brinjal, and they have also given the long purple brinjal. So all the types of brinjals they have covered. They have also covered all the types of capsicum: green capsicum, yellow capsicum, and red capsicum. So almost all the vegetables they have covered, you could see, in 450 rupees, and the quality is really good. So let's start with the first green capsicum which I have sown. I will show you. So this is my capsicum plant, and you can already see that capsicum is there, and the other buds and the fruit is also coming here. So this is quite a healthy plant, and it took me around 2.5 months to come to this position. And I have only used vermicompost and bone meal in this, and the seeds germinated really fast. The second thing which I sowed is spinach. Yes, so I used these spinach seeds, and this is the day 20 update. So you could see that the spinach is really healthy, and it has come out really good, and the germination was really fast. So you can use these spinach seeds in your garden. Just you will have to be careful about the soil you're using. So make sure you always add little bit of compost in the soil which you're going to use for germination. So the third thing which I used is coriander, that is dhania. Yes, so I sowed these seeds like 15 to 16 days back, and you can already see the seedlings which have come out, and the quality is good. Again, the soil is also very important, but the quality of seeds are also very important when it comes to germination. So I would say that for coriander also it was a success, and you can also use these coriander seeds from the pack for the germination of your dhania or coriander. And you can also use kitchen seeds also if you want, but this is really helpful. Now I will show you the bitter gourd which I have sown, that is Karela, and the plant has already germinated. So it took around 10 to 15 days to germinate, because the bitter gourd has a very hard coating. So if you remove the hard coat and then sow, then the germination will be faster. But I have sowed with that, so it took 15 days to germinate, and now this is growing. The next thing which I used is fenugreek, that is methi, and I would just show you the day 20 update, you could see that the methi will be ready in another 10 days. And I have shown this in a very small pot. It's not a very big pot. You could see it's not a very big pot, but the quality of methi which has come out is really nice, and the germination rate was very fast. And this is the day 20 update. I think in 1 week it will be ready to harvest. So apart from that, I have also sown beetroot in a pot. So for beetroot you need a little deep pot, as it is a root vegetable. So it just germinated like 1 day back, and the other seed is coming, you could see. And for beetroot it took around 5 to 6 days only, and it germinated. So yes, the quality of soil is also good, but the seeds are really good. So you can buy these seeds from Amazon, and it is not a paid promotion. I will keep a link in the description box so that you can purchase these seeds. And definitely these seeds will give you a very higher germination rate if you are looking for the winter veggies. So do try these seeds at your home, and do let me know if they really work for you. And do let me know in the comment section like which video you want to see next. So stay tuned.